Introduce highlight features and overview of Hfuear Mini Voice Recorder. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. As one of smallest voice-activated recorder on the market, this mini recorder conveniently fits in any pocket, purse, or keychain for easy access and portability. Only 1.1 x 1.1 x 0.3 inch and 0.35 ounces weight. The tiny voice recorder comes with 16 GB memory. Enough space for more than 24 hours continuous recording and store up to 1160 hours recording files at 32 kilobytes. It can also be a MP3 player and USB drive. Make it your daily reliable partner. The Smart Mini Voice Recorder allow you quickly start and save voice-activated recording or normal recording with just one button. There are no complicated steps, easy to use. You can record important content naturally immediately. Unquiet one-button voice-activated recorder will automatically start recording when sound is detected and stop when no sound. You can record in a way to avoid long hours of silent recordings. Adopts latest PCM intelligent noise reduction technology and professional chip. The mini recorder has HD recording quality with an authentic stereo experience, allowing you to enjoy clear sound recording and playback. With timestamp function, all recording files are named by date and time format, which is convenient for daily management. Enjoy free recording with amazing features like recording while charging, recording while listening and more. Unique audio recorder comes with strong magnet which can adsorb to any surface made with iron like under bed, office desk, car seat, making the recording easily and secretly. You can listen to the recordings on device via earphones quickly or transfer/play/manage recording file quickly via computer or Android phone which with OTG function. Type-C/micro USB adapter included for OTG connection. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.